My name is Ronnie Lundberg and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take this apart so you can see how to get it apart. My original idea for my 900 GS project is that this would be as it is, but now I've seen the black version. Of course I know it's a black version, but I wonder how would the bike be if it's completely black. But I like this part as well, so I am going to order this part and maybe paint the new part black. And yeah, it's pretty easy to take off. This I have made a video how you remove. I think it only was 4 screws. So yeah, I'm going to show you. So we have a Torx T25. I am going to remove this and this and this, and these are some clips. All right. These two are the same length, no problem. And it's loose, but it held by these clips. And we have the BMW logo. You only push in and push and push and push. Now it's off. And we're going to put it together again. That was much easier than remove it. All right. Just these 2 clips here. Here. Push, push. And a plastic clip and 2 T25 Torx screw. Finished. Well, that's how you do it. If you want to maybe remove it and paint it yourself, or yeah, change color on your bike, it's very easy to remove. Okay, this was not easy. You have to push a little bit, but yeah, I'm going to order an extra so I don't have to take them apart. Maybe you can change the color of the bike on the mood you are today. Alright, thank you for watching. I really appreciate if you do thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.